What can you buy for $6 these days? A cup of coffee from Starbucks? Maybe a cheap meal? Or this, the i7s True Wireless Earbuds. Today, let's all find out if $6 is just too good to be true for a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. From the outside of the box, we can see the i7s TWS logo. Needless to say, these are a pair of AirPods look-alike, or knockoffs. But the Apple AirPods never cost $6. In the front of the case we have some features. Looks like it's got a charging case. We can make phone calls with it, listen to music, has a microphone, and it's true wireless. And on the back we have a few specs, a picture of the unit. These are compatible with both iOS and Android. And that's pretty much all. As we open the box, we can see a very large charging case in the middle. If you own a pair of Apple AirPods, you can tell these are definitely way bigger than those. Under this cutout, we have a micro USB charging cable and a pretty simple manual in both English and Chinese. And let's have a quick look at the actual unit. We have a single button in the front side of the charging case, looks like the charging indicator. And on the back we have a micro USB charging port. Pretty simple design on the case. As we open this lid, we can see the actual earbuds inside. The color options I got is pure black. And once again, something you don't find on the Apple AirPods. We have one button on the body of the earbuds, a tiny LED indicator, a charging port on the bottom, and another identical unit. So far I'm pretty happy what I got for $6. But now let's get right into the in-depth review of the i7s, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. These earbuds has true wireless design with absolutely no wires between them. They work just like the AirPods, and they also charge like the AirPods. The price. For around $6, these are no-brainers to purchase. If you tell me you can get a pair of true wireless earbuds that actually work 3 years ago, I may not believe you. But now the reality says yes, you can use these earbuds as a single unit or a double stereo unit. Thanks to the true wireless design, there is no string attached and no restrictions. I do like the sound signature of these i7s. They definitely don't sound like $6 earbuds. Heck, some $6 wired headphones don't even sound as good as these. They have pretty good bass response and pretty clear treble. Overall balance is nicely tuned for pop music listening experience. In my experience, these i7s do have pretty solid connections. With my phone in my pocket or in the same room, I never experienced any cutoffs or drop-offs. Definitely a plus for true wireless style earbuds. As we all know, the earlier generations of these suffers bad connection issues. And here's also some cons. Pairing these to your phone is not the easiest in the world, but after the initial pairing procedure is complete and successful, it's not that bad to use them on a day-to-day basis. To be honest, the size of the unit is quite bulky. These are not the most aesthetically pleasing earbuds on the market, but again, the sound quality is really not that bad. And the last thing is the volume. Since they don't have any built-in ear tips or anything like that, you're never going to be able to create a perfect seal with them. Therefore, the volume always going to leak a little bit. If I use other earbuds around 50% in a room, I probably have to use 60 to 75% on these. But overall, these i7s definitely surprised me for what you can get for $6. It's just amazing how technology becomes so cheap these days, and good earbuds become very cheap. If you don't care too much about the look of these i7s earbuds, I would definitely recommend you grabbing a pair, or even a couple pairs. It's never gonna break the bank, and these are definitely great gifts for yourself, your family, or your friends. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.